itel just dropped the A100 barely 4 months after launching the A95, and everyone's blinded by how sleek this phone looks. But here's the twist. They quietly slashed the 50 megapixel camera down to just 8 megapixel, cut the 120Hz refresh rate to 90Hz refresh rate, and removed 5G support. So is this really an upgrade or a shiny downgrade in disguise? Let's find out. So for the unboxing experience, it was simple but complete, giving you all the basics you actually need right out of the box. Turning this device to the back, you get a single 8 megapixel rear camera with an LED flashlight. Honestly, that's the only thing that really works right here. The rest feels like a gimmick. Up front, there is another 8 megapixel selfie shooter. At the bottom, you'll find a single loudspeaker, so don't expect premium listening experience. Thankfully, itel kept the 3.5mm headphone jack, which actually gives you a better way to enjoy your music on the side. You get the volume rocker key and the power button that doubles down as the fingerprint sensor, and to be fair, it unlocks the phone pretty quick most of the time. For the design and build quality of this device, this is where itel really wants to impress. The A100 is sleek, slim, and feels more premium in the hand compared to its predecessor. Plus, it comes with an IP65 dust and water resistance and a military-grade certification according to itel, which means it is tougher and can handle dust and water splash and even accidental drops. That's a serious upgrade from its predecessor for a budget device. Now, here's the catch. While the screen is slightly bigger at 6.7 inch, the refresh rate dropped from 120Hz on the A95 to just 90Hz on the A100. It is still smooth enough for casual use, but if you've experienced a 120Hz refresh, you still feel the downgrade. Resolution stays at HD+, so don't expect super sharp visuals. If you're still watching to this point, it means you're enjoying this video, so don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Out of the box, the A100 runs Android 15 Go edition with itel's OS 15.1 on top. That means you're getting the latest Android experience optimized for budget device. itel even promises a 48-month fluence guarantee, so the phone should stay smooth for this period of time. We're about to find out. This smartphone also comes with some cool AI features like Solar AI, Document Assistant, and a lot more, which can come in handy if you're a student on a budget. Here's where things get tricky. The A95 shipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 6300, a 5G chipset that is fast, reliable, and ready for the future. The A100, however, uses a Unisoc T7250, which is weaker and doesn't support 5G. That's straight up downgrade in the performance department, although it is still good enough for social media, calls, and light gaming. But if you push it with heavy gaming or multitasking, it will definitely slow down a bit. For the camera, I really have nothing to say. The A95 featured a 50 megapixel main camera, and this device, the A100, comes with just 8 megapixel on the back and 8 megapixel in the front. But in good lighting condition, it gets the job done, but in low lighting photography, details and overall sharpness are nowhere near A95. This is probably the biggest downgrade of them all. Just go through the pictures here and tell me what you think about them in the comment section below. For the battery, both phones keeps the same 5000 mAh battery, but the charging is slower on the A100 with just 15 watts versus the A95, which is 18 watts. So yes, it lasts a full day easily, but topping it back up takes more time. In my test, it took almost 3 hours to charge this device from 0 to 100%. So what's the verdict? The itel A100 looks beautiful, feels tough, and brings newer software with durability that outshines its predecessor. But if you care about performance, camera, smooth display, and a future-proof 5G, the A95 is still a very strong device. The A100 is sleek, but sometimes newer doesn't mean better. Choose wisely. If you love this review, please don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications so you get alerted whenever we drop new content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.